Imagine walking deep into the wilderness. You are hundreds of miles away from the nearest cell tower. Suddenly, an emergency happens. In the past, you needed to pack heavy equipment to call for help. You had to carry dedicated satellite beacons just to stay safe. But imagine doing all of that using only the watch on your wrist. That is the exact future we are looking at today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the cutting edge of outdoor gear. We are breaking down everything known about the heavily rumored Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. This watch could completely change the high-end smartwatch market forever. We will look at leaked satellite parts, built-in voice calls, and huge power upgrades. But first, we must be completely clear. The manufacturer has not officially confirmed this device yet. Everything in this video comes from regulatory papers, factory leaks, and trusted tech reports. We will clearly separate real features from future expectations. Let us start with the outside build of this upcoming watch. Leaks show that testers tried several high-end straps. These included soft silicone, woven heathered black nylon, and light titanium bands. Using these high-grade materials proves one clear point. This watch is built for the hardest conditions on Earth. A titanium watch body gives you maximum protection. It can take heavy hits on sharp rocks without adding extra weight to your arm. This strong build matters a lot when you are out in nature. Athletes push their gear to the absolute limit. They need a watch that handles rain, mud, and hard drops without breaking. Next, let us look at the visual display. The screen is getting a massive update this time around. Current reports show that buyers might get a choice between two main screen types. You might get a colorful AMOLED screen or a solar-powered memory-in-pixel screen. Some industry experts even talk about a third choice. They believe the company might use a brand-new micro-LED screen. This new screen type gives you extreme brightness and uses very little power. A super bright screen changes everything when you are outside. It allows you to read detailed trail maps even under harsh sunlight. You will never miss a sharp turn while running down a dark mountain path. Underneath the tough shell, the internal hardware is getting a total rework. The leak world blew up when a mysterious device named Model A05170 showed up in government filings. If these filings are accurate, this watch will carry dedicated LTE cellular chips. It will also carry special satellite hardware built for remote areas. Running these powerful radios takes a lot of battery juice. Because of this, engineers are adding new power-saving features. Better power management means your watch can track your path for days. You will not need to look for a wall outlet in the middle of a trip. Another big upgrade involves daily voice calls. Reports show the watch supports standard cellular bands like 2, 4, and 12. This means you can make clear voice calls right from your wrist. You can leave your heavy smartphone at home while going for a run. You can still call your family and stay in touch. But the most exciting part is the satellite link. The device is reported to use satellite bands 23 and 255. When you lose regular cell service, the watch connects directly to space. It can send your exact location and emergency text messages directly to orbiting satellites. The software also handles connections automatically in the background. It will switch from regular cell towers to satellite signals without you touching a button. This leaves you free to focus on your physical effort while the watch handles your safety. It removes the stress of getting lost or hurt in remote places. Having a direct line to emergency services gives you total peace of mind. Moving past the physical hardware, the software ecosystem on this device is built for maximum speed and simplicity. The watch is set to support all standard short-range signals, including fast 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, low-energy Bluetooth, and contactless payments through NFC. This setup means your workout data uploads to your personal training account the moment you step inside your home. Advanced Bluetooth features keep your external chest straps and bike power meters connected without any lag. The best part of the software system is how it works behind the scenes. It automatically manages the shift between cell service and satellite connections without any extra steps. You can focus entirely on running, climbing, or cycling while your safety protocols run silently in the background. When we analyze the real-world performance using these hardware leaks, the final picture is extremely impressive. While the maker has confirmed nothing officially, these satellite transmitters point toward a true survival tool. You get a watch that logs highly accurate health data while acting as a literal emergency lifeline. Advanced offline mapping combined with satellite texting ensures you never have to pick between deep wilderness exploration and staying safe. Being able to send an emergency message from a deep canyon changes outdoor safety forever. Now let us break down the expected launch date and expected pricing. Official paperwork filed in August 2026 shows that the watch recently cleared key government radio checks. This regulatory approval usually means a public release is right around the corner. Historical release schedules and supply chain reports point toward an official launch in September or October of 2026. This autumn window aligns perfectly with major international tech events and the busy end-of-year shopping season. However, you should definitely start saving up if you plan to buy one. Supply chain cost estimates put the starting price well over $1,000. This price makes sense when you consider that the previous generation debuted at a similar high-end level. We must remind you that all internal specs and release dates come strictly from public leaks and filings. Tech companies often adjust their final factory schedules right before an official launch. With these financial factors and possible timing shifts in mind, how should you make your buying decision? If you are a hardcore mountain climber or long-distance runner who needs off-grid safety, waiting for this launch makes total sense. The massive safety boost from having a satellite rescue beacon on your wrist is worth waiting a few extra months. On the other hand, if you need a reliable fitness watch for your daily training right now, waiting indefinitely is not ideal.